All right, we are getting a ground report from a relief camp where the victims are questioning the extravagance of the state government. Let's listen in.
These are regular scenes at Malakpur relief camp where there are still more than 700 tents and more than 1,500 people are said to be living in these tents, right in these chilly weathers, from young children, from infants to elderly. Everyone have been forced in a way to live here because they don't have a safe place. Their villages, their houses have been torn down. They don't know what really is the matter, but the point of the matter is there are only 2 policemen who are standing at guard for them, and on top of it, the leaders for which they voted are not even in India. 17 of the Samajwadi Party and then UP ministers have gone on an international junket which they call a study tour, and on top of it, senior Samajwadi Party leader, including that of the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, is having a mega Bollywood night in Saifai. Most of these people, or rather none of them, would understand what a gala event or what a study tour, or for that matter a junket is, but they know one thing, that they don't have their houses and their children are not able to go to school.
Well, Aishwarya now joins us live from a relief camp in Muzaffarnagar. Aishwarya, we've seen the kind of plight, the trauma these riot victims have been going through. Obviously, the Samajwadi Party doesn't seem to care. Just give us a sense of the kind of feelings, the mood in these relief camps as they try to come to terms with what their government in the state is trying to do.
Well, Nida, as soon as we told them that the ministers for them, they have voted, have decided to go on an international tour on one hand, and then on top of it, they are having a gala event at Saifai. They were taken aback because it is really chilly weather here and only 2 policemen at guard. They say that all of that money which is being spent for that gala night in Saifai or on that international study tour should be spent on of these people. They were rather pointing out to their children and saying that these are the children who need study tours, who need to study, who have not been able to go to their schools or their colleges for that matter for last 4 months. So they are taken aback. They just can't get the feel correct that their own ministers, their leaders for whom they have voted, have decided to look the other side. While more than 1,000 people are still right here at this Malakpur relief camp where we are right now, there is no facility from the local administration. That is what they say. They say yes, help is coming, but that is from rather NGOs and also unknown people from the people of nearby areas, but not from the local administration. So after these latest revelations to them that a study tour, that their own ministers are going on an international study tour and then a gala event at Saifai, they are taken aback. They don't know how to react. But one question is that what is going to happen with them when they will be able to go back to their own villages, to their own homes, because they still don't feel safe in going back. That is why they are forced in a way to live in these chilly weathers in their tents. And let it be very clear, the young children and then the infants who are in a way forced to live here, weather is really chilly here. It is temperatures have rather fallen down to 4 to 5 degrees because these are farmlands, and keeping that in mind, the local administration should have made more amenities should have been provided to all of these people.
Absolutely. Well, stay on with us, Aishwarya. Let's just get in some reactions of the people who are suffering so much at this point in time in these relief camps in Muzaffarnagar.
मैं आपसे बात करना चाहता हूँ, आप यहाँ कितने दिन से हैं?
सर 4 महीने हो गए।
4 महीने से?
हाँ जी।
जब दंगे छिड़े थे उसके बाद से आप लोग यहाँ?
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल।
मैं आपको बाबा, आप जब यहाँ हैं, आपको सरकारी मदद कुछ मिल रही है?
नहीं सर, हमें कुछ मदद नहीं मिल रही, सरकारी
मदद नहीं मिल रही।
नहीं जी।
और अगर अब मैं आपको बताऊं कि जो आपके नेता हैं और मुख्यमंत्री हैं
जी,
उनमें से आधे नेता तो विदेश गए
जी,
17 नेता तो विदेश गए हैं ये बोल के कि वो पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, और दूसरे जो आपके देश के मुख्यमंत्री हैं और मुलायम सिंह यादव और बाकी सारे, वो सैफई में आज नाच गाने का एक बहुत बड़ा जलसा हो रहा है सैफई में।
अगर उन्हें जितने नाच गाने में रुपए खर्च कर रहे हैं वहाँ से सरकार जो है हमारे ऊपर, वो नाच गाने में पैसे खर्च कर रहे हैं, वो गरीबों को दे देते तो पैसे इनके काम आ जाते हैं, ये घरों में बैठ जाते, ये झुग्गी छूट जाती, झुग्गी छोड़ के अपने मकानों में बैठ जाते, छोटे छोटे बच्चों को ले बैठे हैं, जो इनके बच्चे ठंड से मरा लग रहे हैं बच जाते। और जो ये विदेश जा रहे हैं, ये विदेश पढ़ने के लिए क्या जा रहे हैं, इन्होंने पढ़ाई क्यों, पहले पढ़ाई नहीं करी थी इन्होंने, पढ़ाई का तो बहाना है, वैसे जा रहे हैं घूमने के लिए।
मैनू बोलना चाह रही, मैं तो नाच गाने में पड़े। जो ये मुसलमान भाई है 8 तारीख के निकले हुए हैं, 4 महीने हो गए। इनके लिए, गरीब के लिए उनने कुछ मदद नहीं करी। उन्हें नाच गाना पसंद आया, ये गरीब पसंद नहीं आए। जो गांवों में से लिकड़ के उजड़ के आ रहे, घर मकान फूक रहे, उनकी मदद करते तो कुछ उन्हें दुआ भी देते। सरकार आके तो देखे कि हम किस तरह सर्दी में यहाँ परेशान है, किस तरह हमारे बच्चे परेशान है, बीमार आदे हो लिए। उन्हें नाच गाना तो पसंद आया, क्योंकि गरीब की दुआ नहीं, वो नहीं देखी, बस दुआ किसी लिए कर रही मुँह से। गरीब के लिए क्या करा सरकार ने? कुछ भी नहीं करा। क्या सरकार एक दूध का पौवा भी नहीं भेज रही सही से? कुछ भी मदद नहीं, न राशन है, न कोई पैसा दिला है, न कोई किसी का झोपड़ी है। हमें तो ये जमीन चाहे, छत चाहे यहाँ से, और हमें कुछ नहीं चाहता।